Hello, my cookies. I know you read that title, and I know you probably don't believe me. That's cool. Let's not waste time. Let's cook. Well, microwave. Anyway, let's do it. All right, so boom, we're gonna need a large plastic microwave safe container. Make sure it's plastic and not glass. To that, we're gonna add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's a good quality brand. And now we're gonna pour in some granulated sugar, just some regular white sugar. And to that, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter, not margarine. You know I fuss at y'all all the time. Make sure it's butter. And we're gonna get ready to microwave. Do not stir it. All microwaves are different. So this process may be a little bit different at the end for you, but I'll explain. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. When you take it out, it should look like this. We're gonna stir it for 45 seconds, and then we're gonna place it back into the microwave for another 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're just reducing it by 30 seconds. So now 2 minutes, 30 seconds. After that, you should see a little bubble action going on. This is what we want. We're gonna stir it one more time for 45 seconds, then put it back into the microwave for 2 minutes. We want it to look like this, like Freddy Krueger's head. Again, cookies, all microwaves are not the same. My microwave is 700 watts. So if it's not bubbling like this after that 2 minutes, then just place it back in for 30 seconds at a time until it looks like this. And we're just going to stir it until it darkens a little bit and stops bubbling. As you can see, it's calmed down a bit and it's thickened. So now we want to add in our pure vanilla extract and our chopped pecans, and we're going to stir that until it thickens up even more, and it's going to take about 1 minute. As you're stirring for that minute, you'll feel it become a little bit harder to stir because it's getting thicker. That's when you know that you need to start dropping it by the spoonfuls onto some waxed paper. When that's done, you want to allow them to cool for 20 minutes so that they can set and harden. And cookies, you will have the creamiest and best, and the easiest doggone pralines ever. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. And I'll also share the link to the YouTuber that I adapted this recipe and method from. Thank you, girl. You are a lifesaver. Thanks so much for watching my cookies. Give your girl a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Look at this thief. He's back. Stealing. Until next time, be blessed.